Dear students, good morning to everybody. Today we'll start the different isoterms. Before this class, we have discussed the some of these questions from the first class that we have already discussed. What is that isotope? Isotope, that is having same atomic number. Isobar, that is same, that is mass number. Isotone, that is having same number of newtons. Isodiaphor, that is having same value of n minus p. So just like this, today we will start some of these isoterms, and again we have to go for this arrangement of the electrons within that atom, that is by taking the concept of that is quantum numbers. So next we will discuss what is the meaning of that iso, that is isostar. What is the meaning of that isostar? Isostar means these are the compounds, different compounds having same number of, that is atoms. They are having same number of atoms and same number of, that is electrons. What is the meaning of that isostar? Isostar means they are the different compounds having same number of atoms and same number of electrons. सेमानंकर इलेक्ट्रॉन संख्या समान थिबो, एटम संख्या समान थिबो, सेमानंक हम कहे आइसोस्टार. या पूर्व जोड़ा पड़ले कोन केवल एलिमेंट विषय रे किंतु एटा कंपाउंड रे. फॉर एग्जांपल देखिबा एरे बेसी एग्जांपल गुडा एग्जांपल नाही. वर्तमान देखिए किसी एग्जांपल, फॉर एग्जांपल दैट इज N2O, आउट एग्जांपल दैट इज CO2. एडे वर्तमान देखिला केतेटा एटम अछि, केते प्रकार एटम अछि, दी प्रकार एटम, गोटे नाइट्रोजन गोटे अछि ऑक्सीजन. केते वेराइटी एटम अछि बोले नाइट्रोजन ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन ऑक्सीजन. बट हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ एटम्स आर देयर? हाउ मेनी एटम्स, केतेटा एटम जदि पचला, दीटा नाइट्रोजन गोटे ऑक्सीजन. दैट इज नंबर ऑफ एटम्स here number of, we have calculated number of electrons. Number of atoms, that 2 plus 1, that is 3. Number of atoms, that is 1 plus 2, that is 3. 2 number of nitrogen atom, 1 number of oxygen. 1 number of carbon, 2 number of, that is oxygen. So number of atoms, that is 3. Then how to calculate number of electrons in these cases? So you know that is number of electrons is equal to number of protons, that is equal to its atomic number, neutral species. So in this case there is the presence of 2 nitrogen atom and 1 nitrogen atom that contain atomic number 7, that contains 7 number of electrons, plus 1 oxygen atom, atomic number is 8, that is 22. 7 into 14 plus 8, that 22. So 22 number of electrons are there. Then carbon dioxide, that contains carbon 6, atomic number 6 plus 2 into, that is 8, that is 22. So both N2 and CO2, both N2O and CO2 that contains, N2 and CO2 that contains same number of electrons and same number of atoms. N2 and CO2 that contains same number of atoms and same number of electrons. Therefore, that is treated as isostar. That is known as isostar. So these are the different compounds having same number of atoms and same number of electrons. That is treated as, that is isostar. That is known as isostar. Next we will discuss regarding what is the meaning of that isoelotonic. But before going to that, we have to explain what is the meaning of that cation and what is the meaning of that anion. First we have to define what is the meaning of that cation and how to calculate the number of electrons present in cation. Cation, that is positively charged species produced by loss of इलेक्ट्रॉन कैटायन गुडी कहउछन कोन पॉजिटिव चार्ज स्पेसीज जो माने चार्ज होची पॉजिटिव जो माने इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस करी से तयारी हुए एवं तापर जेतेटा इलेक्ट्रॉन से लॉस करेंगे जेतिकी इलेक्ट्रॉन से लॉस करेंगे तापर सेतिकी हमें पॉजिटिव चार्ज दबा 2 पॉजिटिव मीन्स इट हैज लॉस्ट 2 नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स केन बर्तन हम एनालिसिस करबा फॉर एग्जांपल देखो सोडियम एटम दैट इज एटॉमिक नंबर इज 11 इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन इज 281 इलेक्ट्रॉन संरचना तार केते हबो 281 सो हाउ दिस एलिमेंट दैट विल हैव दैट ऑक्टेट ए एलिमेंट ता बर्तन सोडियम एटम ता ऑक्टेट किन पाइबो केन पाइबो ना गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस कला परे ए इलेक्ट्रॉन टी लॉस कला परे से ऑक्टेट हबो केमती दैट इज Na मन लिखले Na प्लस इलेक्ट्रॉन या पर केते चार्ज हबा बर्तन हम डिसाइड करबा केते चार्ज दबा इडा केते 2 8 हला गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन 281 आउटर मोस्ट रे थिबा इलेक्ट्रॉन टी बर्तन लॉस कला तनो आउटर मोस्ट रे थिबा इलेक्ट्रॉन टी लॉस कला परे बर्तन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन 28 ऑक्टेट इज सैटिस्फाइड नियन लगे एटॉमिक नंबर 10 तार संरचना से पाइगला नियन रो संरचना से पाइला तले वर्तमान या पर हम केते चार्ज दबा कि डिसाइड करबा चार्ज कि डिसाइड करबा ए नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन केते दैट इज 11 नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन दैट इज इक्वल टू एटॉमिक नंबर दैट इज आल्सो 11 कि इलेक्ट्रॉन संख्या केते केते दैट इज 10 2 plus 8 that is 10 because one electron that has been lost गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस करछि तनो इरे वर्तमान इलेक्ट्रॉन संख्या ला 10 प्रोटॉन संख्या केता हबो that is 11 during loss of electron there is no change to the number of protons तले एटा 11 टा पॉजिटिव 11 टा नेगेटिव चार्ज कटिला नो चार्ज या पर चार्ज किछि नाही 11 पॉजिटिव 10 नेगेटिव 11 पॉजिटिव 10 नेगेटिव कटला पर चार्ज केतला +1 तनु या पर चार्ज दिया जबो केते +1 ता अर्थ गोटे एलिमेंटा जेतरा इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस कला तापर सेति की पॉजिटिव चार्ज हमें दबा आउट इन द एग्जांपल दबा फॉर एग्जांपल दैट इज मैग्नीशियम एटॉमिक नंबर इज 12 दैट 282 इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन इज 282 तो द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन 282 हला ए नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स केते 12 number of proton kete that is also 12 tale how this element that will have that octet अष्ट सूत्र पाइबो बा नेक्स्ट इनॉट गैस जो को जाय नियन रो संरचना पाया पई अर्थात 28 होवा पई त कोन करे पड़ियो दीटा इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस करियो तले दीटा इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस करा पर मन करे m0 हला 28 हला प्लस दीटा इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस कला या पर हम केते चार्ज दबा बर्तमान हम डिसाइड करिया एरे नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन केते number of electron that is 10 can the electron loss करछि 28 रहला number of proton that remains as such there is no change to the number of the protons तेन प्रोटॉन संख्या सही रहइबो केते 10 ए that is 12 प्रोटॉन संख्या रहला से 12 that remains as such but there is the loss of 2 number of electron तले ये लगते हैं 12 टा पॉजिटिव 12 टा नेगेटिव चार्ज नहीं किसी चार्ज नहीं यहाँ पर 12 टा पॉजिटिव 10 टा नेगेटिव 12 टा पॉजिटिव 10 टा नेगेटिव कटिला पर चार्ज केतेला दैट इज 2 प्लस मैग्नीशियम दैट इज 2 प्लस तार तो जा पर हम जेति पॉजिटिव चार्ज दउजे से सेतरा इलेक्ट्रॉन कोन करछि लॉस करछि ठीक से बळे फॉर एग्जांपल देखिया एल्युमिनियम Al केतेला 13 एटॉमिक नंबर 13 that is 283 तले 283 ले केता हो 283 number of electron that is 13 number of protons that is 13 aluminum that is 283 तले केता हो 283 इलेक्ट्रॉन संख्या 13 प्रोटॉन संख्या 13 तले ये बर्तमान ऑक्टेट किन पाइबो ना 3 टा इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस कले तले 3 टा इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस कला परे तले केता हो Al उपरला 3 प्लस 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन जेतडा इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस करे तापर सेती पॉजिटिव चार्ज हम दबा काहे की येला 28 पहला नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स केते 10 नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन लागेते दैट इज 13 पॉजिटिव 10 नेगेटिव कटला परे नेट 3 पॉजिटिव so these are the species that is defined as that is cation that is produced by cation that is produced by loss of electron. Cation that is produced by loss of electron and the number of electron that is present in that cation, that is equal to atomic number minus charge over it. Right? It is number of electrons over in cation, that is equal to atomic number minus charge magnitude. Number of electrons in cation हम केते इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैलकुलेशन करबा ना एटॉमिक नंबर माइनस मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ चार्ज ओवर इट जेते एटॉमिक नंबर तापर जति चार्ज तक माइनस कर दबा सो दिस इज रिगार्डिंग दैट cation तले बर्तमान हम बाहर करबा जे cation जे बाहर करले नेक्स्ट देखिए आनायन तापर नेक्स्ट हम हमरा एम होचे हम जिबा कोठी के जे एनालिसिस करा व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट आइसो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टर्म्स कि आइसो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टर्म जिबा पूर्व बर्तमान किछि cation विषय पढ़ले cation that is produced by loss of electron and the number of electron that has been lost that gives out to the magnitude of that is positive charge over that element. So next we'll say what is the meaning of that anion, how that is produced and how to calculate number of electrons present over that anion. So in this case we'll say that is anion that is negatively charged species produced by gain of electron. Negatively charged species that is produced by gain of electron. Electron gain करियो माने negative charge anion उडा negative charge that is produced by gain of electron. Electron gain करियो कोन पय से octet to have that octet electronic configuration. For example देखिबा fluorine that is 27, atomic number that is 9, electronic configuration is 27, number of electron that is 9, number of proton that is also 9. So how this element that will have that octet, that is next inert gas electronic configuration, that is electronic configuration that neon, that is 28. So to have that 28 configuration or octet, this element has the ability to accept one electron. ये गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन ग्रहण करिवो, गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन ग्रहण कला पर अब कोना F minus that is 28 एला number of electrons that is 10. Number of electron 10 ला कि number of proton that is 9. बारंबार मैं कथा कहूची during the loss, gain or sharing of that electron there is no change to the number of proton. Number of proton that remains as such. तो ठीक से मार्क कलम not a proton not a electron चार्ज नहीं कि not a किंतु गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कला पर 10 टा ला 10 टा इलेक्ट्रॉन not a proton कटला पर केतरा गोटे नेगेटिव चार्ज. ठीक से बड़े देखिए बर्तमान देखिए ऑक्सीजन O atomic number is 8, electronic configuration 26. पहले octet पाया पाई ये कौन करियो दीटा इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कला. So that gives at O2 minus that 28. Number of electrons 8, number of protons that is 8, but in this case number of electron that is 10, number of proton that is 8. So 8 positive, 8 negative, no charge. 8 positive, 10 negative, that is minus 2. Minus 2 charge. 8 positive, 10 negative, minus 2 charge. Similarly, if we take that is nitrogen, atomic number is 7, electronic configuration 2, 5. Electronic configuration that is 2, 5. So number of electron that is 7, number of proton that is also 7. So after the gain of that is having the electronic configuration 2, 5. That is having the electronic configuration 2, 5. So after the gain of 3 number of electron, that is having n3 minus 2 5 plus 3 that is 2 8 इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फेक्शनर 2 8 number of philotons that is केता बटे number of photon 10 किंतु प्रोटॉन संख्या एटॉमिक नंबर that is 7 7 positive 7 negative 7 positive 7 negative no charge but 7 positive 10 negative that is 3 minus. So these are the negatively charged species which are produced by the gain of electron. Then I have to calculate number of electrons present in that anion. So number of electrons in anion is equal to atomic number plus magnitude of negative charge over it. Magnitude of negative charge over it. यहाँ पर negative charge मिसे दो. Magnitude -2 -3 मिसे बने. एडे मिसे के ते 1 मिसे बा. एडे 2 मिसे बा. Magnitude परिमाण टा मिसे बा. एडे के ते मिसे बा. Not -3 as 3. -3 मिसे बने. Magnitude ले के दो 3 मिसे बा. तो एटॉमिक नंबर है 3 मिसे 7 3 10. एटॉमिक नंबर लगे थे 8 है 8 2 10. एटॉमिक नंबर कितने 9 plus 1 that is 10. So this is how we have calculated, we have defined that cation, we have defined that anion, and again we have calculated how many number of electrons that is present over that cation and in that anion. Cation एवं anion रे केते केते electrons सब रहिबो ता विषय में डिटेल एनालिसिस कले. बर्तमान देखिबा जे what is the meaning of that is isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic माने कौन? Next we'll say what is the meaning of that isoelectronic species. What is the meaning of that isoelectronic species? How to define that isoelectronic species? तले iso term माने कौन गले? Iso माने कौन? Same. Electronic माने electron समान थी को. किंतु बर्तमान सुधा तो मुझे मैं example दली how to calculate number of electrons that is present in an atom, in an ion that may be cation or may be anion. जब neutral atom कथा चिंता करले, atom कथा जब हम चिंता करूँचे, तो number of electron कितना हो? तार atomic number से समान. जब cation कथा हम चिंता करूँचे, तार atomic number रू हम minus कथा magnitude of charge over it. ता ऊपर इतना charge रो परिमाण का हम सिद्ध करूँ, atomic number रू minus करिया. ठीक से बोले जब हमें आनायन कथा चिंता करचे आनायन कैसे कितनी बार करिबा ना एटॉमिक नंबर रे ता मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ चार्ज को ऐड करिबा वी हैव टू ऐड द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ दैट चार्ज मैग्नीट्यूड परिमाण ता तमे ऐड करिवो आ ऐड कला पनि -2 -3 ऐड करले सब भूल पटा आइ जो ओनली वी हैव टू ऐड दैट मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ दैट चार्ज इन केस ऑफ आनायन तनो ए अनुसार में इलेक्ट्रॉन बार करिबा इलेक्ट्रॉन बार कला बा मॉलिक्यूल बार करिया मॉलिक्यूल केता हो जो एटम जति लागे थिबो से एटम रे केते केते इलेक्ट्रॉन सब ऐड कर दबा त वर्तमान में डिफाइन करिबा जे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पीशीज आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक माने कोन दैट मे बी एटम सेटा एटम ही पारे एटम्स आयन्स मॉलिक्यूल्स एटम ही पारे आयन हो पारे आयन माने कौन कैटायन हो पारे आनायन भी हो पारे मॉलिक्यूल हो पारे और मॉलिक्यूलर आयन्स ए मॉलिक्यूल्स माने आयन भी हो पारंती दैट मे बी एटम दैट मे बी मॉलिक्यूल और दैट मे बी मॉलिक्यूलर आयन्स व्हिच आर हैविंग सेम नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स that is having same number of electrons that may be atom may be ion may be molecule or molecular ion but having same number of electrons that is known as isoelectronic species तेन जो मानकर इलेक्ट्रॉन संख्या समान थिबो से मानक हम कहले आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पीशीज तले वर्तमान हम बार करिया कि एग्जांपल साइड करिबा को मान आम आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक कहे ना इलेक्ट्रॉन संख्या समान थो से कौन हो पारती आटम हो पारे आयन हो पारे आयन माने कौन काटायन हो पारे आनायन हो पारे मलिक्यूल हो पारे बा मलिक्यूलर आयन हो पारे तेणु से आटम हो आयन हो बा मलिक्यूल हो जार बर्तमान आम देखिए बाहर करिया इलेक्ट्रॉन संख्या समान थो से आइसो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक तेणु गोटे सेट आम एग्जांपल करुचे फॉर एग्जांपल दैट इज CO and that is Cn minus CO and Cn minus CO रे नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन केता हबो नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन केता हबो कार्बन केते कार्बन 6 टा ऑक्सीजन केते एटॉमिक नंबर दिस इज न्यूट्रल स्पेसिस मॉलिक्यूल 6 टा ऑक्सीजन केते एटॉमिक नंबर 8 8 6 14 रहला and if you count number of electron that is present in that Cn minus रे केता हबो ना कार्बन रे बर्तमान इलेक्ट्रॉन संख्या केते 6 नाइट्रोजन रे 7 मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ नेगेटिव चार्ज ओवर इट कहते इन केस ऑफ अनायन नेगेटिव चार्ज स्पेसिस एटॉमिक नंबर हम कौन मिसेबा तार मैग्नीट्यूडटा जो नेगेटिव चार्ज परिमाणटा मिसेबा नेगेटिव चार्ज मिसेबन माइनस करबनी तार परिमाण केते से परिमाणटा मिसेबा दैट इज 1 so 6 plus 7 13 plus 1 that is 14 so these are the two examples of that isoelectronic species because that contains same number of electron that is 14 each. Similarly if we will take the examples of this one another example that is K plus that is Ca2 plus AC3 plus or we can take that is Cl minus or you can take S2 minus or that is P3 minus or you can take that is your argon. Mark the examples argon that is element. These are the anions, negatively charged species, ions, negatively charged species that is ions. These are the positively charged species that is cation. These are the cations, these are the anions, these are the atom. Similarly, we have to calculate number of electron in all these cases that is K plus, that is cations and we have already explained regarding calculation of number of electron in cation. How that will be calculated? So number of electrons in the cation, atomic number 19 minus 1. Calcium that is 20 minus 2. Atomic number calcium minus the magnitude of charge over it. So scandium that is 21 minus 3. Fluorine that is these are the anions. These are the cations. Anions that is atom. Argon that is atom neutral. So Cl minus 17 plus 1. S2 minus that is 16 plus 2. P3 minus that is 15 plus 3. Argon that is 18. Atom number. There is no loss and gain of electrons. So in all these cases, the number of people count the number of electrons that is found to be 18. Therefore, these are the examples of that isoelectronic species. That may be atom, may be ion, that may be cation or may be anion. May be cation or may be anion. Similarly, if we give the examples of this kind, that is molecule that is NH3. Molecule that is NH3. We have to take the examples of this kind that is NH3, H2O, that is HF. These are the molecules. The NH3, H2O, HF. Or molecular ions that is NH4 plus, NH2 minus, NH2 minus, that is H3O plus, that is OH minus. All the examples of that molecules. molecules, and these are the examples of that molecular species, molecular ions. Molecular ions, that is cations or anions. These ions, they have been derived from these molecules. Then how to calculate the number of electrons in all these cases? In सब केस में बर्तमान इलेक्ट्रॉन किन कैलकुलेशन करिबा हम नाइट्रोजन 7 एटम नंबर प्लस केते 3 लागेला केते अरे 1 लागेला 3 7 प्लस 3 हाइड्रोजन गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन अछि तल दीटा 2 प्लस 8 HF किन बारिबो हाइड्रोजन 1 फ्लोरीन 9 एटम नंबर उडा सो जस्ट हमें सम अप करछे सो दे कंटेन 10 नंबर दीज आर मॉलिक्यूल्स these are molecular ions so in case of molecular ion we have to again calculate number of electrons in the same manner. Nitrogen atomic number is 7, hydrogen 1, 4 into 1, and this is your cation positive charge species means it has lost one number of electron, that is -1. NH2 minus, that is 7 plus 2 plus 1 magnitude over the charge. NH2 minus, that is 7 plus 1 plus 2, and H3O plus, that is hydronium ion. H3O plus, that is hydronium ion. H3O, that is H3O plus, that is 3 plus 8 minus 1. OH minus, that is 8 plus 1 plus 1. That is hydronium ion. This is your hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion. So if we will take the examples of this kind, that is hydronium ion, hydroxide ion, amide, imide, and ammonium. In all these cases, if we will find the number of electrons that is found to be, that is 10. 10 electrons. 10 electrons are there. So in this case, there is the presence of that 10 electron. Therefore, these are defined as, that is isoelectronic species. These are the isoelectronic. OH minus 8 plus 1 plus 1, that is 10. So all the other species that contain same number of electrons, that is 10. 10 electronic systems. These are the 10 electronic systems. These are the 8 electronic systems. So all these compounds that contain same number of electrons, therefore these are treated as, that is isoelectronic species. If we will take some other examples of this kind, for example, that is the examples of this kind, for example, that is Na plus, Na plus Mg2 plus, Na plus Mg2 plus, Al3 plus, then F minus, O2 minus, that is N3 minus. These are the cations, these are the anions. Then how to calculate number of electrons in these cases, that is 11 minus 1, that is 12 minus 2, that is 13 minus 3, that is 9 plus 1, that is 8 plus 2, that is 7 plus 3. In all these cases, the number of electrons that is found to be 10. So these are the examples of again 10 electronic systems. These are the examples of that 10 electronic systems. Or if we take the other examples of this kind, for example, that is PH3, PH4 plus, that is H2S, HCl, HCl, HS, that is minus. If we will find out this number of electron in all these cases, PH3, phosphorus, that is atomic number 15, number of electron 15 plus 1 hydrogen atom plus 3 into 1. 1 hydrogen atom, atomic number 1, that is 1 electron, and that is 3 hydrogen atoms. pH4, that is 15 plus 4 into 1 minus 1. H2S, that is 2 into 1 plus sulfur, that is 16. HCl, that is 1 plus 17, and HS minus 1 plus 16 plus 1. So in all these cases, there is the presence of that 18 number of the electrons. So we have cited some examples of that isoelectronic species. In this case, there is the presence of 14 electronic, 18 electronic, 10 electronic, 10 electronic system, 18 electronic system. So all the different examples, set of these examples where there is the presence of, that is same number of electron, that may be atom, may be ion, may be molecule, or may be the molecular ions, may be molecular ions, that may be, for example, that is neon that contains 10 electron. So that may be atom, may be cation, may be anion, or may be molecular species, molecule or molecular ions which are having same number of electrons, that is known as isoelectronic. And also this set, that is similar to this set. That is similar to this set. So these are the set of the, that is isoelectronic species. So today we have discussed regarding, that is how to calculate what is the meaning of that cation, what is the meaning of that anion, and how to calculate number of electrons that is present in cation and present in anion. Then we have different, that is explained regarding the different terms, that is isotope means same atomic number but different mass numbers. Isobar, that is same, that is mass number but different atomic numbers. Isodiaper, they are having same value of n minus p. Isotone, that is having same number of neutrons. Then isostar, that is in case of, that is isostar, that is in case of, that is molecular species, that is molecule, where number of atoms are same and number of electrons are same. Atoms are same, electrons are same. And in case of isoelectronic species, that may be atom, that may be ion, that is cation or anion, may be molecule or may be molecular ions which are having same number of electrons, that is defined as isoelectronic species. So this is already briefly we have discussed regarding the different isotones, and we have arranged these different fundamental particles like electron, protons and neutrons within that atom, and also we have calculated, that is how to calculate, we know regarding this calculation of number of electrons, protons and neutrons within that atom. So this is regarding the brief discussion regarding the model. We'll discuss regarding, that is arrangement of these electrons in different cells, but cells are divided to subcells, subcells are divided to orbitals. So the fundamental particle electron, how that is arranged within that cell, and cell is divided to subcell, subcell is divided to orbital, we'll discuss during, that is quantum numbers.